Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mechanic 757. The purpose of this video, you know how I get straight to the point. The purpose of the video is literally to reiterate a video I've already made. If you are thinking about starting your own business, starting your own mobile mechanic business, I have a video of last year that actually will walk you through I got my notes, setting up a business plan, giving yourself a unique name, creating your own LLC without a lawyer, getting your business license, how to set up a business phone number. That is not your private number. It is actually a business number. And trust me, you'll be very happy to have a peace of mind and you set up when people can and cannot call you. You need to have self-love, so you have to do that. Websites, advertisements, paperwork. I have documents that are extremely important, like the rules, pre-purchase inspections, short-term and long-term. I have 9 documents that has boosted my business up to $50,000 and above what I was already making. Just having the correct legal documents. Those are the website will be in the description for this for you to purchase. They could be all edited, and you could change the name of your business. I have the advertisement, where you should advertise, what you should say, the optimization, and not one thing works. It all works as a whole. And this is my over 30-something years in the military and now in the civilian sector of what actually does work and all the mistakes that I made. What kind of vehicle types that you should buy depends on your budget. Where you can get uniforms, business cards, diagnostic machines, tools that are just starting off, the medium range tools to a more advanced tools, to where if you want to make extra money quickly, do pre-purchase used car inspections, because hardly no one does it. I have the documents that actually will tell you how to inspect the vehicle from top to bottom, and then what to look for on the diagnostic machine. Also to give to the customer to teach them about body language, the questions to ask the customer or the seller. That includes the dealership. It includes the bogus fees that they're trying to charge the customers, or if the private owner, just body language and just direct questions to get a good take on what they're hiding or not hiding. It's all in my documents, and I also have many videos about it. Opening up commercial accounts so you can make money off the parts. It's AC season. I have a document that literally will say the car is going hot and cold. You look at the gauges, and this will give you an example on it. Oh, look at the expansion valve. Look at this, look at that. My point of my story is the short-term and long-term, fuel trims, too rich or too lean. All this stuff is in the document cheat sheets that could be done directly into your own business name. They're very inexpensive, and they will give you vast amount of energy. They're not something I just got off of Google. It's all the knowledge that I put together from myself. I do everything in a simplistic way to help you guys. I want you to go from champagne money to beer money. If you're not making $70,000 and above, you're doing something wrong. And with my techniques, it proves itself. I follow the receipts. I had a 4.9 Google review. I have a lot of customers. I actually was at the gas station today, and people have been recognizing me from YouTube in my home area. Just came up to me and started hugging me. I didn't even know who they were. And they said I inspired them. I was very simplistic. I was very kind. I got straight to the point. I told that person, one of them, that I'm scared every day. I'm scared if it's going to work, if it's going to fail, whatever. But I get through my fears and I do what needs to be done, because you're doing everything. It's not easy. It's not for the faint of heart. You have very rude customers. You have very excellent customers. And you can go to my website, which actually will be literally in the description below this video, and you can see how seamlessly I set it up for the customers when they go to my website, making appointments, prepaying for certain items, and whatever else needs to be done. I also do one-on-one consultations. If you are just starting off, I will help you. If you're in the middle, I will help you. If you've been doing this for a long time, but you just need a little bit of documents or a little bit more better ideas, I will help you. And you can go straight to my website. That's down in the description. And also in the description, you'll see the tools that I use every day, starting off tools, the regular tools and the more advanced tools, and you'll see the websites for the one-on-one consultations. You'll also see where the documents are being sold and everything else that you need. This is just a reiterating. And I also will leave a link in the description where you can go to the video that I originally made last year, because I've only been on YouTube for about 11 months and I just began. So if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And I thank you for being wonderful customers, and hit that like button. Keep this algorithm going. If I could make everybody a business owner, I would. As long as it's doing one person at a time. Thank you.